You might have heard how a few affiliate insiders are making thousands of dollars per day on ClickBank, Amazon, and Jvzoo. They just choose an affiliate program, get traffic, and make huge commissions. So it's no secret that affiliate marketing is the top way to make money in 2018, with people like me making $10,000 per day in commissions. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. How do you actually earn huge affiliate commissions quickly, easily, and with 100% free traffic? Well, that's where Google comes in. Google is the world's biggest search engine, with over 1.5 billion searches every day. Many of these searches are for the exact 6,000 in-demand products that we promote with Affiliate Titan. And using a unique drag-and-drop loophole I'm about to show you, we can get free Google traffic for any of these super profitable keywords, which lets us earn commissions for over 5,000 secret Amazon, ClickBank, and Jvzoo affiliate programs every month. Want to see how it's done? Well, that's where the Affiliate Titan comes in, ready to change the game for 2018. And in case you're wondering, what does an Affiliate Titan actually do? Here's the easy 3-step formula that me and my Affiliate Titans follow. Step 1. The first step is to choose the affiliate program to promote. This is the most important step, which is why I use 4 powerful softwares. First, my King of the Zon software displays the top 200 newest Amazon products, updated every 24 hours. View sales stats, price, product ratings, and filter by dozens of high-commission product categories. Second, my Launch Pulse software flags profitable launches happening in the next 30 days. It even shows you competition on YouTube and Google, so you can work out which are the most profitable affiliate programs to target. Thirdly, my CB250 software displays the top 250 ClickBank affiliate programs, updated every 24 hours. View a screenshot preview, vital stats, the niche, and a one-click link to the affiliate page. Finally, my King of the Zoo software lets you find the most profitable affiliate programs on Jvzoo. King of the Zoo scours Jvzoo for products that are making thousands of dollars, even tens of thousands of dollars per day. So you can find affiliates making money with these offers, then outperform them with your own better converting campaign. King of the Zoo is updated every 12 hours and gives us additional money-making data that even Jvzoo's own site does not. Now, no one else has access to my 4 secret databases, and so, as of 2018, you can exploit the top affiliate programs on the planet for maximum profits. Okay, so now we have a short list of affiliate programs to promote, and it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Now we need to create our campaign page. This is the website or landing page where we insert our affiliate link and promote our offer. And we do this with my one-click affiliate software. It's the easiest way to make professional, high-converting landing pages in just a few clicks. Simply enter a few keywords and hit go. One-click affiliate is preloaded with over 100 pre-selling templates of HTML, headlines, and copy, which have been proven to make me millions of dollars in affiliate commissions. I simply enter a few keywords, and dozens of profitable web page templates are created in under 1 second. Now pick the templates you like, hit go, and finally download your ready-to-upload campaign page. Choose from over 100 handcrafted template affiliate swipes, proven to profit in any niche. Go from affiliate program to $1 million landing page in under a minute, and that's all there is to it. And there's more. Presenting affiliate ads, the fastest way to generate affiliate commissions on any website. Simply load the software, search and filter through 200 affiliate programs. Then choose your banner ad and instantly copy and paste the code right into your website. Affiliate ads is preloaded with headlines, 1,000 square ads, vertical ads, horizontal ads, and screenshot thumbnails of the product. That's 1,000 banner ads for over 200 ClickBank products, preloaded with your affiliate link in one click. Step 3. Now we've created our landing page, so it's time to get traffic and make commissions. That means we need a way to drive traffic to your webpage, ideally very targeted traffic. And whether we promote ClickBank, Jvzoo, or Amazon offers, there's only one type of traffic I recommend: 100% free, targeted buyer traffic on Google and YouTube. This puts in front of people who are about to buy the product, so all we need to do is get them to click through our affiliate link, and we're almost guaranteed to make commissions. That's why I'll give you my Rapid Rank video software. This is the fastest way to rank YouTube videos on Google for the best keyword of all, the product name of the affiliate program we are trying to sell. Simply take the script we just created with one-click affiliate and paste it into Rapid Video. Enter a few timings and hit go, then render your video and put it live on YouTube in seconds. Now we sit back and wait for our video to rank on our buyer keyword on both Google and YouTube. It looks like it took us weeks to put this video together, but it only took us a few minutes. And it's the fastest way to get free buyer traffic for the thousands of affiliate programs preloaded into the Affiliate Titan software. so we can get in front of the most targeted buyers and turn the streams of free traffic into instant affiliate commissions and profits. It's with this type of traffic that I'm able to get money like this and traffic like this. Can you see how easy this all is? Affiliate marketing has never been this simple, so there you have it. Affiliate Titan is a fresh new way to look at affiliate marketing in 2018. Titans only get free traffic for the most profitable affiliate programs and in less time than was ever possible before. No matter the affiliate program we choose or the website we create, we are instantly locked in on the money. In 2018, we're finally playing the affiliate game with the deck stacked firmly in our favor. It's the exact affiliate system that made me $2,000 a day in Jvzoo affiliate commissions. It's the exact system that has made me $6,000 per day with ClickBank, Google, and YouTube. And it's the exact system you've been crying out for since you first heard about people making money with affiliate marketing. And that's all there is to it. So, can you imagine the kind of results you'd get with a new affiliate software this powerful? Well, stop imagining. Let me show you the rock-solid proof that's possible. Just look at my Jvzoo profits. Look at the ClickBank cash I'm able to get with this, the leads I'm pulling in purely with my software, or the targeted traffic I can drive wherever I want. So, are you ready to take your affiliate commissions to the next level? Okay, great. The first step is to click on the order button. I'll send you an instant access link to the Affiliate Titan tool suite, including affiliate ads, instantly find and create banner ads for over 200 ClickBank affiliate programs. King of the Zon, discover the top 200 brand new hottest products on Amazon updated daily. Launch Pulse, displays the top launches happening on Jvzoo, ClickBank, and Warrior Plus in the next 30 days. CB250, shows you the top 250 ClickBank affiliate programs making 7 figures a month in sales. King of the Zoo, discovers profitable affiliate programs that are making thousands of dollars per day right now for affiliates just like you. One Click Affiliate, that auto-creates profitable affiliate websites and landing pages for any niche, product, or affiliate program in 60 seconds. Rapid Video Creator, that auto-creates profitable YouTube videos for any buyer keyword in 60 seconds. And that's just the Affiliate Titan software. You'll also get all of my 3 methods for making up to $10,000 per day with Jvzoo in one single PDF. $1,000 worth of training with 3 complete systems, covering affiliate marketing on Jvzoo, ClickBank, YouTube, and Google. A quick start guide that walks you through all the softwares in one simple PDF document. Plus videos where I explain all my secret affiliate tricks, tips like these. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. And remember, I'm here to help you succeed, but you must act now. This is on a strictly first-come, first-served basis. So once the price discount ends, I'll have to start charging $147 per month for each license I sell. Sorry, but with a deal this good, there are no second chances. Click on the order button to get started. You'll then be taken to the PayPal page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Nothing could be simpler. Now's your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can finally make money with affiliate marketing. This opportunity will only last so long, and I can only help so many people. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.